Hey guys, it's Vince with CG Vinyl Studio, and today I'm working with my HD Chrome again, and I wanted to discuss, because we're getting a lot of questions about what products sell with this material. Because again, a lot of ideas come up, and I'm going to be truthful, the best products are the ones that are extremely unique. In my case, I make a lot of badges, a lot of more like labels, and this material is absolutely amazing, especially if you have a product that you want to pop. These are my classic aviation labels, and these are actually used on real aircraft to signify about the plane as far as details about it, what it can carry, so on and so forth. And I just took that remodeling and went with a ID tag for RC pilots. Now, again, everybody's technique, everybody's model, as far as where you're going with your graphics production, is going to be unique to what you're doing. But the main thing is with our materials, I'm confident that as long as you have the proper support materials, and of course I'm talking about a quality printer and of course a proper manual laminator, you're going to get the result you want. So again, we have no lamination here. We've got our tape on our three edges to make sure the material is nice and flat, and you can see exactly what we've got here. I'm standing back because you do not want to speak around this material, because if you do, and it gets juicy and you get a little moisture on here from your talking, you're going to have problems. So again, this material is much more sensitive. The reflection is absolutely insane. You'll see that when we're done. Stay tuned. Okay guys, you can see exactly what we've got here. Anything that you see as far as pressure points, like right here, everything over here, the thing to keep in mind, you want to have a good space between your art and your actual roller of your laminate. And you can see that's what we've done here. Laminated roll comes over here. You can see where the laminating roll actually hops the tape in the first piece of laminate, where it actually is making contact with the substrate, and then it comes over as far as the product itself, the graphics. Now, of course, these are bleed cut, so you'll never see any of that. It'll all be cut, and you can see these came out gorgeous. Once again, we always give our clients extras. He ordered 20, gets 24. And you can see what we have here, and we're going to do the cut process. We'll show you exactly what we got after that, but you can see that reflection. There is no other material like this when laminated with 3M8518. I can tell you that for a fact. So we're going to do the cut process. We'll show you that when it's completed. Okay guys, we've already got it loaded into the Suma. And once again, we got Vinyl Master all set up, and we are ready to go right here. So again, Suma T-75 series tangential head, you'll see it get active now. She's got 2 passes active. Go for it. Okay. Doing our scanning process. Go. Now again, we like to do 2 passes on this substrate because it is thicker. It gives us nice clean lines, and the Suma again gives you amazing performance as far as cutting ability and precision. Now this is a bleed cut, so of course we're not going to have any vinyl showing. These essentially look like they are mounted on the models that they apply them to. Right across, finishing up the sheet in no time. Alright guys, when she's done weeding it, we'll film the finished product. Okay guys, Joanna has got the sheet. She already cut the edges off, and now she's going to weed it. And you can see now our finished product. Awesome. That's what you're paying for with the Suma. You can see those clean edges. And I'm hoping you can see, and you can, the bleed. You see it coming across, and here's our finished product. Once again, beautiful. Clients love them, we love them. and we want to keep everybody happy, and you can see exactly what you're left with. So again, guys, if you have any questions about this substrate or you want to get a setup for your business, just let us know. We'll see what we can put together. Again, we offer custom sheet sizes as well as custom packs for whatever you're trying to accomplish. Thank you for your support. Take care.